Today I'm going to do the March book update, and what's interesting about this month is that the book is now starting to come back from the proofreaders, which is good. I'd actually changed the release date from 10th of December to early 2019, and I must admit I was getting to a position I was kind of thinking, you know, it's actually going to be early 2019. But now I feel a bit more confident. The only thing I have to do really is go through the book and do the line editing and get another proof, make sure it's in the right format, and then it can be released. And also at that point, the people that's won the books and very, very patiently waiting for a copy, I do appreciate that, is get them off to yourselves, and then you can have the first look before anybody else, which is hopefully a exciting event. But also, there's been a number of issues. If you check out one of the videos, we've had video freezing, and also there's been a lot of sound issues. I'm recording in the conservatory, so not only have I been experimenting with mics and how this channel actually sounds, but also we've had rain and a lot of rain recently, and as soon as that happens it's almost impossible to record in here. So what I'm trying to do as and when I can is get a number of videos out, and the rest of the time there might be breaks, just the odd break, and the reason because it's bad weather. And also there has been a break recently, mainly because, like I say, the audio equipment and the cameras have not been great, so I've actually invested now, and we've got things like this, and over there we've got mixers and things like that. Should improve the experience of the channel and hopefully make these videos a little bit easier to watch. So that's about it really. The Patreon account, I'm still thinking about that. The other books, they're on hold obviously, because like I said many a time, I'm not really doing this for money. I am self-investing up to the point of doing the Patreon site, which will probably just look after the channel, maybe convert one of the rooms and make that into a more quieter place rather than being in the conservatory. I've already got green screens and stuff like that, so we'll have to see. But that's it for the update. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. People subscribing to the channel is one way of getting the word out about what I'm doing, and also it can make the channel funded, only to a small degree, but of course every penny helps. But there we go. You know, we're getting closer to the 10 emails from people where they say, I bought the book, I've watched your videos, it's helped me, thank you very much. We'll see what happens. Alright, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.